With the launch of M3M Capital, we're the first developer in the country who crossed 5 digits. We've crossed 10,000 crores. And I'm not kidding. हिंदुस्तान में जब से रियल एस्टेट बनी है, हिंदुस्तान में किसी ने 10,000 करोड़ का नंबर क्रॉस नहीं किया. Today we've crossed 10,000 crore at a group level, the total revenue. All credit goes to all of you. Coming to capital. Capital is just a project, but it's a larger smart city development. 2 years ago we had a tie-up with a Swedish company to develop a smart city. But लगने लगा खुद ही बनाते ना यार. प्रॉफिट क्यों शेयर करना है? नहीं रुचित, क्यों शेयर करना है? नहीं, आपको नहीं लगता? मैं खुद सेल कर लूंगा तो टीम वाले को क्यों देना है? Am I right? So this smart city is getting launched today, the Delhi International Airport Smart City. The first project which we announced a year ago was 113 Market, which is the SCO. Today we are announcing M3M Capital, which is just a 16-acre development out of 250-acre development. The total potential for what we have launched today. Any guesses? आप लोगों के मतलब की बात है, लगभग कितने की सेल वैल्यू है जो आज हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं? सॉरी, that is the units, my friend. So we are about 3,000 crores what we are announcing today. Target is next 2 quarters we'll be launching about 11,000 crores. Are you ready? अपने लिए नहीं कर रहा, आपके लिए कर रहा हूं यार. Guys, are you ready? Brilliant. The overall development what we have done as M3M in last 10 years is about 3 crore square feet. 30 million. Alright? About 2 crore square feet is under development, which makes it a development of 5 crore square feet, right? This project itself, this smart city, independently is 50 million, is 5 crore square feet, what we have done in last 10 years. The total revenue potential for this project, any guesses?
15,000 crore.
Sorry?
15,000 crore. 15,000 crore.
15,000. 58,000. Who's the guy? 58,000, raise your hand. Brilliant, you're close. So we are about 60,000 crore revenue for this smart city development. Guys, are you ready? मैं genuinely support चाहिए, नहीं तो क्या करेंगे अकेले? मेरे को अपने घर तो ले जाने नहीं है पैसे. कस्टमर का पैसा बनाएंगे, डिलीवर करेंगे, फिर साथ में कमाएंगे. Guys, are you ready? सुदीप भट्ट को जैसा लग रहा है ना, तुम और मैं बात कर रहे हैं. आ जाए, come here. Guys, this is the beginning after creating Golf Course Road, the M3M city. Then we went to Golf Course Road extension, the SPR. Then we went to Sector 89. Now it is time for Dwarka Expressway, where we are launching the first development out of the larger land parcel of Smart City. Here we need your support. In last 1 week, the total sales which has been clocked is about 800 crores, I think, which is already there in the publications. There is a big announcement I want to make today. The announcement is we are closing the sales of first phase within next 1 week. The target is to do next 700 crores and close the sales. Do you believe me? Yes or no? Yes. At M3M, what are we? We are the delivery machine and we are the sales machine. You agree?
Yes.
You agree? Yes. पीछे वाले? Brilliant. So we close the sales in next 1 week, and then we announce the phase 2 of the project at M3M Capital, which is 3.5 bedroom plus servant and 4.5 bedroom plus servant. The sizes would be 2,100 square feet approx for 3.5 bedroom plus servant and 2,400 square feet for 4.5 bedroom plus servant. Lot of you have come to me and my team and said that, sir, we need bigger sizes. Yes, no? I think yes. So for that, this week we close our sales, and next week we give the opportunity to all our channel partners, investors and customers to take the next baton forward and complete the sales. We as M3M are geared up. We as M3M are geared up for 1 quarter. The target is to beat whatever we have done in last 5, 7, 10 years. So we are targeting a revenue of about 7,500 crore in next 2 quarters. Guys, please gear up, please build your team, please be ready. Every quarter there will be launch of minimum 2,000 apartments. Minimum 2,000 apartments. And at Capital we are also launching high street retail of 9.5 lakh square feet. High street as big as 65th Avenue, which has just got delivered. Guys, does this excite you? So they played away.
Hey, what will excite them is if you tell them what will happen after this. जब ये सब हो जाएगा फिर क्या होगा? All I need.
Alright, so we are also preparing for what we promised last. All the key channel partners who've committed a big business, a certain amount of business with us. In March, we're planning another trip which would be better than Serbia. And this time, no scam. Alright? With that, can I request my entire 113 team, I request M3M sales team to please come on the stage. M3M sales team, can I request all of you to please come on the stage and join me? So about 75 in my team. This team will double up in next 1 month. The target is to take this team to 150, and this team is 24/7 available to support you, to make sure whatever promises we're making here as Pankaj Bansal and M3M, I promise you on behalf of the entire team, this team is ready to support you. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Jo bole so. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Now we have Meet Brothers performing, and let's have some gala time. The way we end. अभी तो पार्टी. पीछे वाला क्या हो गया? सुदीप बोल रही है.
Alright guys, so one last time, can we hear the loudest of clap and cheer for yourself? Come on guys, fantastic, let's go!
Thank you so very much. Thank you so much, M3M, and we've already seen success, and let's make it a bigger success. Thank you so very much, guys. Thank you, Team M3M. Thank you, all my family members. Thank you, M3M.
Thank you so very much, sir. And let the party begin. So Sonali, if you want to announce what Meet Brothers are up to. Lights on.
Alright. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhatt. Thank you so much, Mr. Pankaj Bansal, for that. That was excellent. Firstly, so much confidence. फिर इतना कमाल हिंदी इंग्लिश में, फिर इतनी बातें. मुझे लगता है Sudeep is going to take away my job very soon. That worries me. But thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. I can see everybody is running away. Guys, wait up. We have a big party planned for all of you. हमारे बीच में आज शाम को बॉलीवुड के कुछ बहुत ही पॉपुलर सिंगर्स आने वाले हैं. इन्होंने कई सारी फिल्मों में गाने गाए हैं, कंपोज करे हैं और डायरेक्ट भी करे हैं, जैसे कि बेबी डॉल में सोने दी एंड मेनी अदर्स. Well, they'll be with us and we have an amazing after 3 years the world is seeing something very, very different that we never fathomed that we will see. But we want some ideas. Everybody fucking जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, everybody. Delhi, I want to see some Josh, I want to see some energy. We're here to party, okay? I love the fact that तुम लोगों ने यहीं पे सेटअप बनाया हुआ है और थोड़ा डांस की भी जगह बना लेंगे. All right, you know what? You guys have all heard this song, and tonight is a night of celebration. So I'm going to start with all of you singing with me, and I can see a lot of you actually humming with me here, okay? So give me the music. Yeah. No, actually, you know what? Let me just hear them. Otherwise, music bajega, I won't hear all of you. So no music at all. You all have to sing with me and sing, okay? Ye mera ya mohabbat भूल पहचाने तुम्हें ये तेरी नजरों का ये मेरा दीवाना
फिर से गाएंगे 1 2 3 गो Let's do this.